In the quest for the perfect landscape shot, every detail matters. The Canon EOS R8 is your companion in capturing the essence of any scenery in stunning detail and color. Begin by setting your aperture. For landscapes, an aperture of f/8 to f11 maximizes sharpness across the frame. Access your aperture settings, then adjust to your desired f-stop. Control the ISO to manage light sensitivity. Navigate to the ISO settings, aiming for a lower ISO around 100 to 200 to reduce noise and retain the landscape's natural clarity. Ensure your entire scene is in focus. For landscapes, using manual focus or setting autofocus to infinity can capture the depth and detail of vast scenes. Access focus settings through the lens or menu. For ultimate clarity and to prevent camera shake, mount your camera on a tripod and use a remote shutter or the camera's timer function when capturing landscapes. Enhance colors and details straight from your camera by selecting a picture style. For landscapes, Landscape Mode boosts greens and blues. Find this option in the Picture Style menu and experiment to see what suits your scene best. With these settings, your Canon EOS R8 is primed to capture the breathtaking beauty of the world around you